Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Thursday, May 23rd, 2024. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great week, great day, or maybe you've started your Memorial Day weekend. Whatever the case is, I'm glad you're with us here for your TF headlines. We start with the Memorial Day observance here at the city of Fitchburg. It'll be happening on Memorial Day. The annual Memorial Day observance will take place on Monday, May 27th at 12:30 p.m. at our Gorman Wayside Veterans Memorial Park, 2377 South Fish Hatchery Road. This year's keynote speaker is Jonathan Parker, Sergeant and Canine Handler from the Fitchburg Police Department, and was also involved in the 101st Airborne Division / 502 Infantry Regiment. Served in Iraqi Freedom, or Operation Iraqi Freedom, that is, from 2007 to 2009. He was chosen, or has chosen, the people behind the heroes for his keynote theme. The Brooklyn, Oregon American Legion Post 160 and Oregon Brooklyn VFW Post 10272 will provide the military ceremony following the Sergeant Parker's keynote address. Those who are going to be attending are asked to bring their own chair. The event will be live streamed right here on Fact TV on our comm channel F2 starting at 12:30 p.m. In the event of inclement weather, the program will take place at the Fitchburg Fire Station number 15791 Lacey Road. That announcement will be made tomorrow afternoon. That's Friday, May 24th. And we will let you know via the website, social media, and Fact TV. Looking ahead, it's 50% chance of showers, so it's going to be a tough decision, but we'll have that for you either way tomorrow. And we will be closed for Memorial Day. City Hall, Senior Center, Community Center, and Library all will be closed in observance of Memorial Day. We'll open back up on Monday, May 28th at our normal business hours. And if you are heading out traveling this weekend, Wisconsin DOT wants you to know before you go. That's right. Ahead of Memorial Day weekend, the Wisconsin Department of Transportation reminds drivers to focus on the road ahead. Be courteous to other drivers and slow down for Wisconsin roads. According to AAA, Wisconsinites will travel near record numbers again this holiday weekend. Peak travel times are expected noon to 7 p.m. on Friday, May 24th, and 3 to 7 p.m. on Monday, May 27th. Motorists should plan ahead with the 511 Wisconsin app. It's 511.wi.gov. And check before you head out and be safe. And please make sure that you buckle up, put the phones down every time, every trip. Keep everybody safe as you head out. Splash Pad opening up tomorrow. Yep, it opens for the season tomorrow, May 24th. Pack your bag, sunscreen, picnic, lunch. Gather your family and friends for an adventure at McKee Farm Park Splash Pad. The Splash Pad at McKee Farms Park is located at 2930 Chapel Valley Road and McKee Farms Park. Open for the season May 24th through Labor Day. Hours are 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. There are 5 shade structures at the Splash Pad that are available for reservation. If not reserved, they are available at a first-come, first-served basis. You can find out more at our website, fitchburgwi.gov. Hey, this week is EMS Appreciation Week, and if you haven't already, I should say thank you. Some said thank you earlier this week. Fitrona EMS and Fitchburg Fire Department participating here in a breakfast. It says here, the Fitchburg Public Safety Wellness Team provided breakfast to members of the Fitchburg, Wisconsin Police Department, Fitchburg Fire Rescue, and Fitrona EMS. Looked like a fun time there and enjoying some camaraderie and some good breakfast. Finally, a scam alert to warn you about here from the Better Business Bureau. Scammers are impersonating road toll collection services and text message scam. If you have been on the road trip, or you're probably familiar with the modern tolling system allowing you to pay your tolls fees online, if you anticipate paying any of those outstanding tolls which are out for this text message phishing scam, where they're impersonating the collectors. Of course they are. So how does it work? You receive a text message from what appears to be the state to collect those fees, like the Illinois Tollway or Florida Turnpike. Text message says you owe money. You need to pay immediately or you'll get a $50 fee. Message includes a link to settle your balance. How convenient. What should you do to avoid these and any of these scams? Well, verify your outstanding balance through the legitimate agency. Instead of checking via the link of the text message, which you should never do, go to your web browser, sign into your account officially, and verify, do you owe anything or any outstanding payments? Know the warning signs of a fake text. If you get an unusual or unwanted text, it's probably a scam. Don't click on any links, please, and report these things to the Better Business Bureau to stay safe. Have a great weekend, everybody.